Searching for a convenient way to handle waste? Look no further than Dumpster Solutions NW, your local go-to for hassle-free dumpster rental in Federal Way, Washington. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, cleaning out your garage, or managing construction debris, we've got the perfect dumpster for every project. Our dumpsters come in diverse sizes, ensuring we have the perfect fit for any project, big or small. With flexible rental periods and competitive pricing, we are dedicated to providing cost-effective solutions without compromising service. Our commitment to the community extends beyond just providing dumpsters. We ensure responsible disposal and prioritize recycling to help keep Federal Way clean and green, giving you peace of mind about your environmental impact. At Dumpster Solutions NW, we pride ourselves on timely deliveries and pickups so you can focus on what's important, your project. Don't let waste management stress you out. Call Dumpster Solutions NW at 206-255-0095 or visit our website at www.dumpstersolutionsnw.com. Dumpster Rental Federal Way WA to learn more and schedule your dumpster rental in Federal Way, Washington today. Dumpster Solutions NW. Clean, simple, done. Call now.